In this video, we will be assembling the pole to the base of a Lifetime portable basketball system. Your system may look different than the model shown, but the steps performed will still apply. Attach the flattened end of a pole brace to the base. Leave it finger tight for now. Repeat this for the remaining pole brace. Make sure the exposed ends of the pole braces are parallel to each other as shown. Insert the long axle into position through the holes at the bottom of the pole assembly, with the shorter axle inserted in the next set of holes. Slide the wheels on the long axle and add a washer at each end. Next, position the large axle under the slot on the underside of the base. Make sure the pole bracket is facing up. Then step firmly on the base to snap the axle into place. Rotate the pole upright, snapping the small axle into place. Then secure the pole to the pole braces. Now tighten the rest of the hardware.